Write the word individuate down, because this is the missing piece in all of the therapies that you've ever done. Unless you actually individuate, you will remain the child who reacts in self-sabotaging ways. Individuation is the path to freedom, but it will almost kill you in the process. I'll explain what individuation is. Individuation, the best way I can describe it is, if I was in my 40s and I was still living at my mama's house. And if you're married to a guy who's still kind of a mama's boy, it means he hasn't individuated. If you're a woman and you're still worried about what your parents think and you can't speak your truth and you can't set boundaries with your family, you haven't individuated from them. Individuation is our hero's journey to become our true selves outside of what the culture, the family, the expectations of society are. And it's really hard. Picture having to risk not belonging and choosing your own path. Show of hands, anyone who has a cultural background, Greek, Persian, whatever, and you're just like, you're terrified of upsetting your parents, so you withhold, even though you're fucking in your 40s, even though you're an adult. This is a lack of individuation. And if you have this issue, then you're going to repeat it in your intimate partnerships. The cost of a lack of individuation is unfulfilling partnerships.